What's up, babes? So welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this beautiful pink glam look. But first, if you are not already an Angel babe, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time that I upload. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into doing makeup, and we're gonna start with the eyes first in today's video. So I'm trying to see if I want to use the Juvia's Place the Magic Mini Palette. I'm wanting to do something with pink because I am wearing pink tonight. Or if I want to just use the Modern Renaissance palette, which is such a classic. Let's go ahead and use the Juvia's Place. I feel like I haven't used shimmers in a long time, so let's just go ahead and do a full glam beat. Why not? So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this palette right here. This is from Black Radiance. This is just a contour palette. It's dark to deep. You guys know over here on this channel we use what we want for whatever we want to use it for, period. Okay, so I'm using this, and I'm going to use this as my transition. And the first shade I'm going in is this middle shade right here. So the next shade I'm going into is this same contour palette, and I'm just going to use this darker shade right here. So now that I pretty much have my transition shades going on, I'm just going to go back in this palette. You guys know I have been just really into simple, easy makeup looks lately. So we're going back into the Juvia's Place palette, and I think I'm going to use this shade right here. It is called Oh Sun. It's this really pretty light pink shade. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm thinking about doing a cut crease because I have not done a cut crease in so long. Should we do it? Should we do a cut crease, or should we keep it simple? I actually think I'm gonna go ahead and do the cut crease. I don't know why, but I'm gonna go ahead and just do it. I haven't done one in a long time, and I mean, why not? Why the hell not? It's been a minute since I've been out, so why not just go all the way in? And I'm just using some concealer. Girl, it's just that simple. Like, oh my gosh, I have not did a cut crease in so long, girl. I am so excited. I'm gonna wipe some of the concealer off my brush, and normally I would go in with like a setting powder or something. Now if you are a beginner, you may want to do that, but since I've done cut creases before, and normally with shimmers I definitely go in with the powder, but I used a really good concealer to do the cut crease, which was the Tarte Shape Tape. And then I also am using some really nice eyeshadows, which are Juvia's Place. So I don't really feel like I have to do that. And now that I did my cut crease, I'm actually, before we go ahead and go in with the shimmer shade, I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure I'm done with all the blending that I'm gonna do, because with shimmers you don't want them to get messy or like all over the place. So I'm going to make sure I'm done with all of that. So I'm just taking a little bit more of the contour palette and making sure that outer portion right here where the concealer and the eyeshadow meet. So I'm just putting that shimmer shade right on top of that concealer. And I do not enjoy washing makeup brushes, so if you don't, just turn your brush over, honey, and use the other side. So I'm going in with this shade right here, which is called Zuba, and I'm going to put that right in the middle. So I'm gonna do eyeliner, and I'm just using this Jordana liquid eyeliner. I need to get some more of my Maybelline eyeliner, you guys, and know I love that one. It is bomb, honey. So my eyes are pretty much done, and now I'm trying to decide on if I want to go mink lash or, well, mink lash or, what is this one called again? Faux mink lash. Silk lash, that's what they call it, girl. Ooh, honey. Let's go silk. Let's go silk, honey. Let's just, ever since my last Get Ready With Me, every time I put on these silk lashes, I feel like I'm about to fly away. Because the mink lashes don't be doing this much, okay? They don't be doing all of this, but they're on, so we're gonna roll with it, okay? So now we're ready to move on to the face. So for my primer, I'm gonna be using this Fenty Beauty mattifying primer. So we're not quite finished with the eyes, but we're gonna come back, because last time I tried to do my waterline, girl, with my makeup, trying to do my makeup was just doing too much. Doing way too much. So this company called Dpolla did send me a foundation brush. I'll have a coupon code for it and the link to it down in my description bar below. It is from Amazon. It's just this cute baby pink makeup brush. Oh my gosh, it goes along with the whole aesthetic, honey. That is so cute. I didn't even know this was not planned, girl. I just knew I needed to use this in the video. Okay, so for my foundation, I'm just using my Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 356 Warm Coconut. And I'm being real careful, girl, because I literally have on my dress that I'm wearing out tonight. Well, it's actually like a two-piece set, but you know, this makeup brush is the cutest. I love pink anyway. All shades of pink, and it goes perfect with my dress, y'all. How cute. And this foundation brush did not soak up any of this foundation. It is all there, honey. It is all there and on my face. And this is my first time using like a flat brush. At first I thought this brush was gonna be like way too flimsy, but it's actually a really nice medium to high density brush, which is what you need for your foundation, especially because you don't want it to just be sliding all over your face. You want it to be where it's supposed to be. And you guys know I really love to use my E.L.F foundation brush, but it's nice to actually switch things up sometimes. This is a really nice brush though, you guys, so I'll leave it down below like I said. This is my first time actually using like a flat top kind of kabuki brush, but at first I was worried that it's going to be a little bit too flimsy, but it's a medium to high density brush, which is what you need for when blending foundation, because you just don't want it like all over your face. You want it to get where it's supposed to go so that it can actually stay on the face. So moving on to concealer, I'm using this E.L.F hydrating concealer in this shade Tan Neutral. So I'm actually going to go in with just a little bit more concealer because you guys know I love the highlighted look. I'm just using the same concealer I use for my cut crease, which is the Tarte Shape Tape and Tan Sand. Wow. As you guys see, a little bit goes a long way. So now I'm just using my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder in the shade Medium Deep. Girl, my battery died and I was just talking and filming and moving on and I wasn't even filming. But anyways, I just setted my makeup using this soft focus powder by Black Radiance, and then I just went in with some blush. You guys know I get this from the beauty supply store, $1.99, honey, and it is amazing. Ooh, I had to pop my neck. But yeah, it is amazing. And then I just used this shade right here. I went in with too much, so I'm just taking my powder brush and going over with it. Nothing else is on it. I'm just kind of like making sure that it's kind of like blended together. So nose contour, because I have been forgetting that lately, girl. Where's my brush at? Hold that thought. Got it. Hopefully I don't have to do a whole lot of editing with this video, girl, because these girls, they just keep coming out. They want to make a grand entrance. They want to be seen. So I'm just going to go ahead and contour my nose with this L'Oreal Infallible Powder. You guys know I always use this. Girl, I was going to put some contacts in tonight and I mean really do it up, girl. But I was like, you know what? Let me just have a little fun with the makeup. And we'll do contacts next time. So usually I do not do this because I don't really care for black eyeliner. I feel like when you already have smaller eyes, it just makes your eyes even smaller. But I think I'm gonna use it. Am I really about this life? I don't think I am. But let's just do it. Whatever. I got it out. Let's do it. Whew, liner is done. So I'm just gonna take some of this Maybelline, girl, this is why I hate liner, Big Shot mascara and apply it to my bottom lashes. Honey, it's the bottom lashes for me. Super cute. So moving on to my lips. Well, I am gonna do a little bit of highlighter. Not much, like literally not much at all. Where's my highlighting brush? I washed my makeup brushes today and I can't find anything. So I'm just taking this highlighter right here and I think I'm just gonna put some on my nose. This is just the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in rose gold. I'm wearing pink, I'm wearing rose gold. So I mean, it was only right. Okay, that's cool. So for my lips, I'm gonna be lining them with my favorite lip liner. This is actually an eyeliner, but we use it as a lip liner because we like a dark line, okay? So I have two different options. I don't know if I want to wear, ooh girl, this is so pretty, or if I want to wear MAC Snob. I think I want to do the other one, the Milani shade, just because it's a little bit darker. I just like this. This is pretty. And this is just a Milani lipstick, a matte lipstick in the shade Blissful. And honey, she not playing. Don't play with her. See this lipstick right here? She understood the assignment. Okay? She understood the assignment, girl. And what, for right now, I don't think I'm gonna use a gloss. And I was going to recurl my hair, but it really doesn't need it. because I only just put, I was wearing this hair straight, but I just put curls literally at the bottom of the hair. So I just wanted kind of like an effortless kind of, you know, a little curl, honey, but not too much curl. So honey, this is what she's giving. Okay, so this is pretty much it for the look, honey. I am loving this. This is cute, honey. I understood the assignment in this video. I said that next time I was giving glam, and that's what I gave. Okay, that's what I gave, honey. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up so I know that you like it. I'm so silly. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.